Hey everybody, it's Josh. I just want to get on here and show you what I see on the charts. For the past week and a half or so, we've been in this solid uptrend. It's just been beautiful. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we finally, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, I think 6 on the top side, we broke outside. So according to price action rules, we should be coming up here for a retest of 6,900. After that, price is free to either possibly spike and channel up, consolidate sideways, and then we'll see, or just straight up reverse. I took 2 trades today. It's been a long time since the EMAs have come back together, so I went short here, targeting this EMA, and then I went short again, targeting this EMA, and both were winners. I'll get back to that. So a few days ago, I wanted to teach an AI model how to play a game, so I created Tetris, and then I trained it to trade it or play it. I'm so used to making trading stuff. So far, it has beaten all of the high scores, the previous high scores. This is the same thing. It's a neural network designed to trade the NQ 1-hour chart. It's in the middle of training right now. It's still very new. I'm trying to get, so it saves the best model. On each episode, it runs through 1,000 days of NQ data with the 2175 and 150 EMA and a stochastic. And then periodically, I wanted to just see how it does. So I created this little trading environment that shows you what the model is doing.